good morning, traders. Joe Baker back with you, and looks like we took out that 53 I was talking about in the last video. For those of you that missed it, I had said that if we probably had a little bit of support at this 53 area. Okay, as you can see, this is a 240-minute chart. And you can see how we came down off the 53, came back up, down at the 53, came back up, down at the 53, came right back up, okay, and then down, almost tapped it, and then back up again, and down. Now, look at the clearing candle after it took out that 53, okay. Again, this was an area of support, a very known area of support, okay. So once you take out an area of support, stops get hit, market drains right down, came back up, and so forth and so on. It's working its way right down to 28s. Okay, just like I said in the video, you take out 53s, next area is 28. All right, so where do we go from here? This is not a good sign overall. I'm not bullish. I'm just trying to be optimistic, I guess, for the good of, I don't know what, but I'm trying to be optimistic. We really should not take out the low in December and January. It's just an overall bad sign for the entire market for the year. So again, we're not going to go anywhere. Like I said, we're probably going to be in a sideways pattern here for the next couple of years. I hope at this point that it's a sideways pattern for, we don't have any more breakdowns and that we don't retest the November lows of around the 740s. But if we do, we do, and there's not a damn thing we can do about it. Okay, so what do you have to do? Well, as we always say, prepare and don't predict. So let's prepare. What's underneath 28? Okay, hold on one second and I'll just show you on the chart here. As you know, you can go back to all my earlier videos. We're working out these same numbers over and over again. And again, it's going to be the 18s to the 13s. Hold on one second. Okay, here's the chart. Okay, and you can see, okay, here's your 28s now. Okay, this is your area where the market had came down almost to them, came right back up, came back down, hit them, came back up, came back down, hit this area, came back up, came back down. And look at the drain after you took out the 812s, okay? I think it's like 812.50, so between 813 and 812, okay? So look at the drain. The market came right back up, okay? Came right back down again to this area, down again at the 28s. Again, this is a daily chart, guys, so I'm going over a period from actually late October, okay? So again, these are where we're getting these numbers from. And here you go, 828 again. Here we are. We tapped it in the Globex session last night. And what are we going to do from here? This is a key area, guys, and I mean a key area, okay? From what I'm seeing, okay, we should get some type of response as we did here and around here and here, but breaking down possibly down to the 13s is definitely doable, and I'm telling you, we do not want to take this area out. If we do, we do, okay? Like I said, there's nothing we can do about it, but understanding, what this means, okay, means taking out the December lows in January, which sets up, as you know, we did that last year, and look what happened to the market. It most likely means that we're definitely going down to retest these lows down in here at the 740s, and possibly beyond. All right. So again, just doing it by the numbers, not by anything else that's out there in the economy or what have you. But we will see what happens. But we really don't want to take this area out. A retest would be nice, a retest on lighter volume and so forth and so on, and I'll get into that in a later video. And maybe some positive divergence or what have you. Once this area has kind of worked itself out between today and tomorrow, we'll look at it and I'll do I'll do an update over the weekend and see what plays out for the next couple of days. But again, guys, as I always say, prepare, don't predict. Just understand, know the levels, okay, that the professionals are looking at. And, again, you will see possibly a lot of, let's just say, choppy trading between the 28s and the 12s and 13s, okay? So, just prepare for that area to be kind of probably a rough little area to trade, because there is going to be some buy interest down there. Okay, there are going to be some people that are going to want to jump in and try to catch it. And again, if it gets taken out, the ones that did that will be liquidated. Okay, just like at the 53s. So we'll see what happens, guys. Again, I'll keep you posted. You are all more than welcome to, again, we've had a lot of response of people stopping into the room and taking the trial. I think it's beneficial for everybody to see, how the markets unfold on a daily basis, certain time zones of the day, likelihood that the market does a certain thing every single day at the same time. Again, we have 15, basically, well, it's about 7 time zones and an additional 8 little pivot areas. But again, on open range is very important as well. Knowing how to trade the open range and the first hour, what we look at. So again, you're all welcome to just send me an email and drop by our room. And if you like it, you can stay. If not, again, you move on your merry way. No questions asked. But again, guys, sign up for my levels over at the blog, which is down on over on your left-hand side of the page, to get my nightly levels. And we'll see what plays out for today and tomorrow. And then I'll update you over the weekend. All right, guys, safe trading and take care.